Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the book exercise of chapter 2 formulas and functions in MS Excel for class 7 of computer subject. So let us start. Here first question is objective type questions, and first is tick, click, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer, and what will be here? A formula in Excel should always begin with, we know, is equal to, and which one is here? Is equal to, at the rate, and none of this. But here our answer will be first. So this will be your answer. Now next, B is, which among the following operator is used to perform text concatenation? And here what is this? AND operator. Where is this? Third. So here is equal to, at the rate, and plus operator has been given, so here your answer will be AND operator. And here C is, which of the following mathematical operator is used to perform exponentation? We know that caret. And where is caret here? Here first is equal to, second is at the rate, third is caret. So answer will be this. Clear? Now next, D is, which is an example of absolute cell references? As we know, in the absolute cell references, $sign is used before the column name and row number. So here A5, this is not, because this is not the absolute, because $sign is absent. Here $sign is with only column name, so this is mixed reference. Here this is also mixed, but here this is absolute reference. Clear? This will be our answer. Now next, when we see E, among the following which is not a part of function? Is equal to, yes, is a part of function. Function name is the part of function. Function argument is the part of function. Operator, yes, operator is not part of a function. Clear? Because here ranges are given generally, or the arguments are written by the comma, separated by comma. So here operators can be, operators is our answer. This is our answer. So this is the first question, objective type questions in book exercise. Now our second question is true false type questions. So here we have to write T for true and F for false. So first is, formula in Excel always begins with an equal to sign. Yes, this is true. So here T has been filled. Now in the B, the AND operator is used for concatenation of text. Yes, AND is used for concatenation. So this is also true. Now C is, the caret symbol is used to find the product. No, caret is used for exponentiation. So here this is wrong, and so F will be filled here. Now D is, the symbol is used for absolute cell reference. Yes, this is used for absolute cell references. So this is true. Now next, is equal to total function is used to find the sum. No, here sum is used. So this is false. In the E, F will be filled. So this. Now third question is, fill in the blanks with given words. The words have been given here, and we have to fill these words into the suitable statement. So A is, in insert function, button is present in the insert function. Button, the insert function, this is the button, is present in the formula tab. Yes, this is, in this formula will be filled. And what is this here? Formulas. Clear? Now in the B, is equal to New and Delhi will display New Delhi without blank space between them. New Delhi, this one. So in the B, New Delhi will be filled. Now in the C, the product function is used to multiply all numbers within the given range. Yes, the product function is used for the multiplication. Now D, a function is a predefined formula. Yes, a function which is the predefined formula, function is the predefined formula. So here function will be filled. Now next E is, in cell reference the reference remain constant, absolute. So here absolute will be filled in E. Right? In the A, formulas will be filled. In the B, New Delhi will be filled. In C, product will be filled. In D, function will be filled. And in E, absolute word will be filled. So these are the question 1, 2, 3 of book exercise of chapter number 2.